Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Meta glasses to your phone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your Meta glasses to your phone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is download the Meta AI app. So what that looks like is if you download it on the app, download Meta AI and sign up using your Facebook or Instagram account. And then this is what it's going to look like here. So once you're on this page here, click on the three lines in the top left-hand corner, click on devices, then click on add device in the top right, then click on Ray-Ban Meta. And what's going to happen is that you need to remove the plastic. And as you can see, it's already been found. But if the blue light is not blinking on your Ray-Ban's case, go ahead and hold the circle on the back of the case for about 5 seconds until the blue light turns on. So we're going to hold it on the case, and now it's starting to blink blue. So click on blue LED turned on. And as you can see, it's now found our Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Click on connect and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Meta glasses to your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.